We're just having a great day in a classic British car.
We failed to start the timer on a couple of regularities and then we got completely out of order. But we haven't got lost yet, have we?
Slightly stressful sometimes, but yeah, I've enjoyed it.
And then we had a little bit of trouble with a reversing tractor that we were about 10 cars back from him, so that's got to be a joker used. So not as good since then.
Well, Angus and Mike told us we were in first, but I don't know whether that's going to last. We'll see.
Got here, we enjoyed it, being a great event, well organised, and managed to do the weather as well.
I think it will just carry on like it is at the moment, and let's hope so anyway, because there's nothing like a bit of competition.
Mike, Angus, what can I say? You've done it again. You really are running to great form, Angus.
It's terrific, isn't it? It's absolutely amazing. I can't believe it ourselves, really. We really enjoy it, and that's the main thing. It's just thoroughly enjoyable. It really is brilliant.
Yeah, great day battling Angus and Mike. Seconds here, seconds there. I think we were leading at lunch and they've nabbed it back this afternoon. And yeah, just a cracking day's rallying, Tony.